Hello everyone, it's Greybot out again. Today I will be talking about an exploitation tool named Sqlmap. Okay, let's go to my browser and see what's Sqlmap. Okay, as you can see in Google, Sqlmap is an open source penetration testing tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection flaws and taking over of database servers. Okay, Sqlmap is one of Kali tools that came with Kali by default. This is a tool you can use to exploit databases which are not configured properly. So for us to be able to search for websites that are vulnerable to Sqlmap, you go to Google and open Google and type this parameter php id equals 1. Let's see. Okay, now over here at Google you can see websites with these parameters. As you can see, this one has a parameter, this one has it, this one has it, but we are going to be using this one for our test, this Injavest. So let's test and see. Let's open this in a new tab. Come over. Now what you have to do is come over here and put an upper apostrophe, then click enter. Wow, as you can see over here after the apostrophe, you can see Sqlmap statement error, select category, error message. What is trying to tell us that this SQL is not configured properly. So now what we are going to do is to copy this link, copy the link over here and use it with Sqlmap. Copy. Okay, I have to open your terminal. Before we start using, let's see what is Sqlmap. Okay, this is the usage for Sqlmap. Let's use Sqlmap with the -h flag to get more details about SQL, how we can use it. -h. Oh, these are a list of flags which you can use for Sqlmap. -h for help. See this. -u for URL. We're going to use this. You can see over here is an example. This is Google Doc if you know how to use it. You can also use top proxy. Okay, now let's clear the screen to make it a little bit neat. Now what we have to do is type Sqlmap -u, which is for URL. Then you have to copy this. You can also copy this website, copy this and check. Remember how to check to see if it's vulnerable. Then copy the link and bring it over here and paste it inside your terminal. --dbs. This is going to test to see if the database is vulnerable. Wow, as you can see, there are two databases available, which is Injavest China and Information Schema. So now we have been able to get two databases. Now let's try to move into this one and get the tables to see if we can see useful information. So what I need to do is type Sqlmap again. Sorry. That's you with the link. And this time it's going to be -d, which stands for database. So we are using this database, highlight it and copy, then paste. So we are going into this database to check the tables, dash tables. Sorry. And let's see the table. Okay, it's retrieving tables. As you can see, it's still working. I think these are the tables I've found. So now it's trying to retrieve them. You see it's still retrieving the tables of the database. Okay, as you can see now, I just finished listing out the tables. So what we are going to do now is to check things inside this column. I think we got an interesting one here. We got this DB user and DB admin. Something interesting. So what we're going to do now is to go back and use that the same array. Or you can simply go back to your last command by pressing your up arrow button. And this time around it should be .t. Yes. Which is .t, and let's check this and see anything interesting. And paste. And this time is going to be columns. Click enter. Oh wow, can you see what we can see over here? We got usernames, we got addresses, audit, company, email, ID, which day for website. When was this? Join date, did they join the website? Last IP, which they used in logging the website. This was the last time they logged in. I think this is mobile number, old password. I think this is the new password. This phone number, picture, real name, sex, and telephone. So as you can see now, we've got a lot of details here. So what we are going to do this time around, just use your up arrow button. Press your up arrow button to go back to the last command. This time is going to be C, and let's see the usernames. C user name, DMP. It's going to dump the usernames from the database, and as you can see, these are the whole usernames for all the contacts. There are 121 users on the website, and these are their usernames they use for login. So with the way we just checked username. You can also check for audit, company email, ID, last login IP. So you can check for all of them like this, just the same way, by just changing this username to password, old password, whatsoever column you want to dump, you just type it here, and that's it. As simple as that. So let's try something like username, I think password, WRD, click enter. Oh sorry, that didn't come out. So this time around, let's make things more professional. After dash C, which stands for column, then you type which of these you want to dump. Okay, let's try to dump username. So you type username, comma, let's see the real name, rename, okay, or let's remove the rename to make it more professional and put password, password, comma, real name, which should I put something? Okay, let's check phone number, and now let's check email. So you can keep on doing this. You can do it for everything together to list, but the best, then write your dash dump, so dash dump, which is going to dump everything here. So apparently now, as you can see, it's dumping, and these are hashes, which are the passwords. So you need some system to crack this password. Some other tools over here in Kali, or you can use some online tools. Let's just wait till finish dumping, and you can get all the datas. Now just pop up a message, say, do you want to store hashes to temporary file for eventual further processing? Okay, let's say yes. Now it doesn't know if we want to crack. Do you want to crack them via additional base attack? That's going to take quite a long time, which is going to make this video long, but for your own purposes it's best to use yes. Okay, let me just use the yes. So it's going to crack it before listing out the password. Over here now you can attach a link to a file in your computer, or just simply click yes. Do you want to use common password surface? Yes. And as you can see, presently now it's cracking the hashes. These hashes over here now, which are the password, is presently cracking them. Okay, as you can see, presently now it's still cracking the password, but I'm going to cancel it because it's taking much time. So over here now, after cracking the password, you're going to see something like this. This is the username, and it has already cracked the password. This is the hash for the password, and you can see it has cracked this one. This one it has cracked. This one it has cracked. You see, it has cracked this one, and the password is act. This one is act, and you see rename. There's no rename here. Email, no email. So now what you are going to do is to try to see if really this is going to work. Let's try using this username, visiting the website. This was the website. They have a login here. Let's go to the login. You can see they have a login. And let's go back to our terminal and copy this username, copy and paste here, and paste, and copy the password which is hacked, copy, then you paste, then submit. As you can see, we are successfully logged into the website. So imagine if this was a bank website. So you can see other things there. Okay, now let's log out and try another one to see if it will work. Let's go back to login. Let's try this. This is the username. And this is the password. I love you, baby. So use this password, paste and submit. And as you can see, we successfully logged into this website again. So you can do whatever you like. You can change the password, do whatever you like. So now let's log out. And that's it. So as you can see over here, this old table has been saved inside your computer. At this place. So it's already there on your computer, so you can copy something like less. And you see username, hash, so that is how to hack a website using Sqlmap. Now what I'm going to teach you is how to search for a specific website which is vulnerable to this parameter, and I'm also going to link you to a website, this website, where you could see other parameters. From this you can see other parameters which you are going to use to search. As you can see over here, there are different parameters over here which you can search. Now what you are going to do is, this one we'll use at first. Let's copy it out and go to Google again. Now this is how to search for a specific website. Now we'll do something like site, do this. This is the parameter. You come back to this website and copy the URL of the website. Something like site. This is some little Google Ask command, and do something like this and click enter. As you can see, it brought it over again. So you can use on any other website to search. There's nothing, none. So the other parameters, and remember something, when you click on, after clicking on the website, to easily check if the website is vulnerable, remember to put your apostrophe and click enter. Wow, as you can see, still the same. Now I think this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have any complaint or any problem, you can or any suggestion about our channel, you can simply drop it on the comment box. I'll be very grateful to receive a comment. Thank you very much, And also, if you don't know how to use any tool on Kali Linux and you would like to know how to use it, you can drop it over there at the comment box, and we're going to make a video of it. Thank you very much for watching my video, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.